It's been a long time coming. SL family getting popping off. It's time for a little quick formatted freestyle. To a little something chorus that goes something like this. It's gonna be quick though. My flow and dance in their hands with technology. My flow and hands in their hands with technology. Technology to technology. Technology to technology. Technology to technology. Technology. My flow and hands in advance with technology. In the booth, get the truth and the proof out of me. Even mocking me, you still couldn't copy me and still wouldn't know me if I spit my biography. I try to show modesty, honestly, but I just be knowing I'm the waste and you're colon when I'm floating. So what you think is whack? You listening and looking frozen? These motivation answers, literature get you going and get you to wanna flow and get you to get your dough. If not, get you to flip to keep you on your J.O. Like we big hustle money will keep the world spinning, so I'm trying to stack a fortune before a nigga stop living. Technology to technology, technology to technology, technology to technology. I'm flowing hands in advance with technology. I'm flowing hands in advance with technology. T-Cuz, Reese, June, Bill, Black, Kenny, we get it popping off. Yo, check it out. Hawk, what's pop? I never give in and 2 fucks is a given. Trying to get my hustle on middle, bandit like Bivens. I never feel people I be thinking about getting, but it takes me over. Yo, I done fucked up, but I still bounce back with a freestyle that just jumps on track. Like, how they spit it whack? Like, how they do that? Just right bounce back and just spit something not whack. But I got that on wax. Hit it, take a hit of the black. Then I just chill like, damn, what I'm gonna say next, I don't know. But if I relax my mind and just jet to trying to spit a freestyle that I never spec before. And you can like the way that I flow, but no, I can't keep talking about the way I spit, cause then you won't be so interested. So now I gotta get on some different type of shit. Do you drink? Cause I do. I get so lit and I got a little slip on my forehead from it. Getting drunk and shit, hitting the wall. Ain't that about a bitch? Yo, you can ask everybody that chills and you can ask Bill. He was doing the tat still, man, I'm that trio. To just spit about whatever, spitting cause I got some shit of mine that's clever on my mind. That's what I'm looking to say, but shit you probably couldn't understand. I'm gonna flow into this beat, it's fucking over, man. Shit might put a little zip and then a little zilch on the real note, but I know I'm not on stilts, man, but I'm still tall. Man, I stand 6'4", maybe 6'5", I don't know, but I've never been to the fucking doctors in a minute, so now I need to go get my measurements, then I'll go get it. Then I'll tell you right that I'm probably 6'6" and shit, and if when I got the cap on, I'm like 6'8". But you know, I'm like bait to these women cause you know they just love me and never hate. And that's why you niggas can go on to hate, cause I got so many chicks that I feel so straight that motherfuckers won't have to diss me, but the bitches love to do me and they wanna just kiss me on the just cheeks, cause you know how I pimp these chicks, you know how I get in shit. I might spit some shit, you might think it's whack, but still, I don't give a fuck. Top 6 is back up in this bitch, you know the best group rapping out. That's SFM and you know what's straight happening now, cause I fucking kicked it to you. You know how I do you, you know how I do the motherfucking track whenever I'm on it. You know I'm gonna stick till this beat is fucking over. I don't know when it's gonna be fucking over, but I'm looking 3 minutes 31 seconds. No bruh, it's not fucking over. Got a couple seconds to spit it, so I gotta fucking get it about something. I admit it that I won't fucking get it like wow, how the fuck you like me now? My style is so different from the way these niggas spit it, man. I gotta get it. If you don't understand this, to get it, quit it. That's what I meant to say, but now I'm back on this track like I'm back every day, waking up this shit, wiping sleep up out of my eyes. You know it's no surprise that I spit. Not selling fries, not selling burgers, and I should be selling burners. I put a double text on it, but it won't be in my name. I get it crackhead and they know it. What the deal is, and they won't get nothing but a crack rock for it.